Please Love. And in this week's video, or this day's video, because I posted on the finger dancing earlier today at 9 o'clock, but I'm going to show you how to do the finger dance. Let's get started. So first thing, you take your hands. This is step number 1. Take your hand, put them in a fist, and line it up. So, and then that's the first step, just make a fist. Okay, so after you get through this, you're going to tilt your head to your right, and you're going to point your right thumb. So 1, 2, 3, and then wobble back to straight 4. And if you don't know what I'm doing here, I already have these up, break them apart, turn them this way, flip this one this way, so you have, or it's easier for me if you do 2 L's, flip this L like a gun to your right, gun, and flip, and line them up. Then you're gonna, so that will be your third step actually. So your third step, just make like a little box. And then your fourth step of your box, you're gonna slide, like slide. Box, slide, your two thumbs touch. And then you're gonna come up, and you're just gonna stop right here. 5. So once your thumbs touch and draw out the beginning, you have 2 options. You can switch to this, or you can switch to this. So it's your option for step number 5. To do that, you're going to take your L's, put all your fingers up, tighten them very close. Again, gun, right, same thing. Except, see my thumb is going on my middle finger, not my pointer. And again, same thing here, middle finger, not pointer. Then, yeah, and then after that, you're going to put your thumbs down. You're going to slide with your pointer as they're breaking apart. So, slide, and then they'll come together and you'll pop, like, pop. And then put your hands down, side, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. So basically, you're going to put your hands straight, 1 finger, 2 finger. You're going to try to bend it into a heart. I'm very bad at this, so this is how I practice. So I practice like you do prayer hands, like I just told you. Put your hand up, 2 fingers up, and you're going to take this bottom finger, and you're going to put it under this one, because it helps you stay still. And you're just going to bounce the camera like, boom. Yeah, and that's how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed my video. This was very helpful. And yeah, so stay tuned back to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm so close to 1.5K. So yeah, bye.